Welcome back to Carolina News. It's time for our weather. First, I want to talk about the weather that we're seeing right now. Like I've been saying earlier on in the show, we're seeing 76 degrees right now, and we're seeing partly cloudy with some overcast skies. And we're at the high temp for today. We are at 76 degrees. Our low temperature for today is going to be 64, so it's going to get a little bit cooler. And our humidity is sitting at 65%, so it's a little bit muggy, just slightly humid. And I actually want to show you something from earlier today, back when we had some sunnier skies. This is our fountain view, and as you can see, this rainbow was beautiful. That's what happens on a sunny day out front of Thomas Cooper Library. The sun creates this beautiful rainbow, and you can see everybody walking to and from class in that sunny weather. And I also want to show you the temperatures from around the rest of the state. It's still pretty sunny everywhere in the state. We're seeing some nice temps. We're seeing 66 in the upstate in Greenville, 76 here in Columbia, of course. We're seeing 73 degrees in Aiken and 73 down in Charleston. And you can see Myrtle Beach on the coast. They're at 71. They're sitting a little bit cooler. And we can see Florence is matching us at 76 degrees. And now I also want to talk about the Election Day forecast because that's a big deal. It's important if you're going to go cast your vote, you need to know what the weather looks like. So we're seeing rain chances across the day. We're going to be sitting at a cool 68 starting in the morning, 25% chance of rain, 12 p.m., 15% chance of rain, 75 degrees. It's going to get a little bit warm. Same thing for 3 p.m. later in the afternoon. That might be when you're casting your ballot. So you're going to want to bring an umbrella and a raincoat with that 20% chance of rain. At night, if you're going to vote after work or after school, you can also see 6 p.m., 72 degrees, 25% chance of rain. And I know that it says that rain chance is going to dip at 9 p.m. and 12 a.m., but I want to show you what happens after 12 a.m. In the early hours of the morning, you are going to see right here, you are going to see some rain rolling in starting at around midnight on Tuesday, and it's going to go through the afternoon. This is the time that you can see going from around midnight to around 1 p.m., but even later on in the day, you're going to see this like scattered shower kind of thing going on, so you're really going to want to make sure you're prepared if you're heading out to vote. You're going to want to bring an umbrella, a rain jacket, and anything you might need to cast your ballot. So that is all you're all caught up for weather right now, and I'm going to have more on the 5-day forecast later on in our show. Back to the desk.